Hey, what's up, everybody? I got a 1998 Mitsubishi Mirage. We're gonna be doing an AC compressor. This guy right here. Basically, you got on this one right here, you're gonna have two lines going in, four bolts holding it in, two on the bottom, two on the top, right there. Let me focus you. All right, so you got two bolts on the bottom right there, two bolts on the top right there, two lines going in right there, and you just got your electrical connector. That's it. Looks like we might have to wire this one. They give you three different applications, so you can do everything on this one basically with a 12 and a 14 millimeter wrench. It's gonna be real simple, or I might just make it look simple. Let's get on over here to the car. This is it right here. AC compressor is going to be on the bottom passenger side of the engine compartment. And we can get started on this. Okay, so real easy. This one has the bumper removed, so it's going to be real easy to do this one. But first thing you probably want to do is right here. There's your tensioner lock nut. There's your tensioner bolt on the front right there. So you want to just loosen that one up on the idler, the tensioner pulley, and that one right there, you're going to unscrew it to loosen the belt. That's your adjuster bolt. Right after you do that, here's your two bottom bolts. Right here, there's your two bolts right there for your lines, 1 and 2. And there's one bolt right there, and then the other bolt you can't see until you take that line out, but it's right there. And then you got your electrical connector right there. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect that right now, just by pressing that tab. And then we'll just go on ahead. First thing I'm gonna do is loosen that one up right there. Get the belt loose. Take my lines loose after I get that electrical connector, and then boom, just pop out those 4 bolts. That's it. That's how easy this AC compressor is. Okay, so like first thing I did was loosen up. This is a 14. This is also a 14. Just do that counterclockwise. Pull the belt off from the back of the tensioner, and then you can pull it off from the AC compressor without taking that bolt all the way out of the tensioner. If you do that, you're gonna have to find the threads when putting it back in. It'll be a pain in the ass, possibly. This particular model is gonna have the circle connector, so I might have to rewire that new one. Now I took out, and everything on these are all 12s. Everything on the compressor is a 12 millimeter. The tensioner is a 14, has 14 millimeters, and everything on the compressor has 12s. So these two bolts on the front of the lines are 12s. After you take those out, you can see now, right there, your top bolt, and also you can see top bolt right there. I can zoom in. There it is right there. Now it's a little hard to see, but right there, I'm touching it. That's it. And then you got your two bottom bolts. But that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead, and also, you know, anytime you do lines, you always want to replace the O-rings. So replace your O-rings on your lines, your high side, low side lines going into the compressor. That's it. I'm gonna go ahead and take those O-rings off, find matching the corresponding match in this bag right here, and we'll get back to you. So when you're recharging, it's gonna be right here. So here's the top of the engine right here, And there's your receiver dryer, there's your low side charging port, and you just want to turn the AC on full blast and then add your refrigerant while the AC is on high until it's basically in the green zone. But this is a 1998 Mitsubishi Mirage, and that's how you install the AC compressor. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace.